Welcome to New Tech and Gadgets, your go-to hub for the latest technology, gadget reviews, and future innovations. Subscribe to my channel.
What if your dashcam saw more than you ever noticed? The Vanture E1 Pro captures stunning 4K detail even at night with its StarViz 2 sensor and plate pix clarity. Tiny enough to tuck behind your mirror, it features voice control, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24/7 parking protection. Built to endure heat and record up to 66 hours straight. It's not just a dashcam, it's your quiet co-pilot when it matters most. Need more room but not a new truck? This adjustable aluminium bed extender instantly adds up to 3 feet of hauling space, perfect for kayaks, ladders or lumber without blocking your tailgate. Built from aerospace-grade aluminium with a rugged powder-coated finish, it holds up to 700 pounds and folds flat when not in use. With a secure D-ring anchor, universal fit and smooth sliding adjustability, haul more with less. Is your torque spot on or just a guess? The VCAN Active Digital Torque Wrench delivers 2% precision with real-time feedback via LED and buzzer, so you'll never over-tighten again. Its rugged chrome molybdenum build, ergonomic grip and 24-piece kit includes sockets, bits and an extension bar handle. Everything from bikes to breaker boxes. With track and peak modes, 4 measurement units and a clear digital display, it's the ultimate upgrade for pros and DIYers alike. Tired of tangled cords and slow charging in the car? This 4-in-1 retractable car charger packs a punch with 69 watts of fast charging power across USB-C, USB-A and Lightning connectors. Built for both Android and iPhone users, it includes 2 retractable cables, a Starlight LED glow, and fits snugly in any 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. Compact, powerful, and perfect for anyone always on the move. Ready to turn heads before you even hit the gas? This RGB LED grille emblem brings your front end to life with a chrome finish and vivid lighting effects, controlled by remote. Weatherproof and built to last, it installs easily on most vehicles using a 12-volt setup. Whether you want subtle glow or full-on show mode, this badge lets your ride speak loud without saying a word. Roasting in traffic is no way to drive. This upgraded cooling seat cover blasts fresh air through 16 high-speed fans and 3D mesh to instantly chill your back, thighs and hips. With adjustable fan speeds, heat settings and built-in massage modes, it keeps you comfortable year-round. A non-slip base and quick straps make installation simple, while the universal 12-volt plug fits almost any vehicle. Adding accessories shouldn't mean adding headaches. The AuxBeam 8-gang switch panel gives you clean control over lights, fans, winches or anything else with a single sleek unit. It handles up to 60 amps, works with 12 to 24 volt setups and supports toggle, momentary and pulsed modes. With RGB backlighting, auto-dimming and weatherproof construction, it's the smart, stylish brain behind your rig's power setup. Tired of digging through trunk chaos? This hanging backseat organizer adds 6 roomy pockets to keep cables, tools, groceries or first aid gear neatly in place without eating into floor space. Made from tough 600D Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching and a strong Velcro grip, it stays put on bumpy rides. Easy to install and fold away, it's the simple upgrade that turns cluttered trips into calm ones. Long road trips with restless passengers? This sturdy backseat table mount keeps everyone entertained with an adjustable extension arm, 360-degree rotation and 75-degree tilt for the perfect view from any seat. It fits devices from 4.7 to 16.1 inches, including iPads, Kindles and Switch consoles. Made with a strong aluminium rod and non-slip clamp, it installs easily between headrests and includes 2 handy hooks for bags or headphones. Can other drivers really see your next move in traffic? This triple-row LED tailgate light bar from Nanpoku makes sure they do. With vivid red for brakes, amber for turns and bright white for reverse, it sticks on without drilling, handles rain like a champ and instantly levels up your truck's visibility and style. Safety, simplicity and a sharp look, all in one strip of light. Blind spots should not be a guessing game. This frameless convex mirror delivers a crystal clear view that's 3 times larger than traditional blind spot mirrors, giving you confidence while changing lanes. Built with outdoor rated adhesive, it sticks strong through rain, car washes and even salty roads. Sleek and low profile, it blends in like factory equipment and fits most cars without blocking your original mirror's view. Ever stripped a bolt because your gut feel was just a little off? The Goyojo digital torque wrench adapter takes out the guesswork. With ultra-precise readings and a bright backlit screen, it helps you hit the right torque every time, no second guessing. Compact, durable, and ready for sockets of all sizes, it's the go-to tool when tight enough just isn't good enough. Ever wish your parking spot could transform into a garage? This foldable, lockable car shelter wraps your vehicle in a weatherproof cocoon, shielding it from rain, sun, snow and scratches. Built with rugged steel and heavy-duty Oxford fabric, it's easy to open, anchors securely to the ground and keeps your ride clean, dry and protected. No construction permits required, just park, pull and protect. How often have your keys or phone vanished between the seats? This LED lit seat gap organizer not only saves your stuff but upgrades your cabin too. With glowing color, USB charging and a dedicated cup holder, it slots right in, holds tight and lights up your essentials without distracting your drive. Neat, useful and a bit of mood lighting for the road. Finally, your console catches up with your style. Can your headlights still cut through the night like they used to? This restoration kit brings them back to life, removing haze, yellowing and scratches with a pro-grade vapor finish that renews clarity and shine. No replacements, just a few tools, some patience and a 200ml solution that can handle up to 20 lenses. It's not just a fix, it's a full-on headlight comeback. Why should road trips mean boredom in the back seat? This 13.5-inch car headrest monitor transforms long drives into full-on entertainment zones. Stream shows, mirror your phone or plug in a console. Everything plays sharp on a crisp Full HD screen. No lag, no complaints, just silent bliss in the back while you focus on the road. Works in most vehicles and even at home if the kids don't give it up. Streaky windshield wipers ruining your view? This compact wiper blade repair tool revives tired wiper strips in seconds. No replacements needed. With double sanding grooves and a one-touch grip, it smooths out worn edges so your wipers glide like new. It's simple, portable and way cheaper than new blades. A handy fix for rainy days, road trips or just keeping things clear without breaking the bank. Want to personalize your ride with dynamic visuals? The Gotus LED car sign lets you display custom text, animations, and graffiti using a Bluetooth-controlled app. Its flexible, lightweight LED panel attaches easily to your rear window with 3M adhesive, while the USB-powered design ensures hassle-free installation. Perfect for rideshare drivers, businesses, or creative car owners who want to stand out day or night. How do you ensure a used car hasn't been repainted after an accident? The Ardin Scos TC100 paint thickness gauge accurately measures coating depth on both steel and aluminium panels, helping you spot hidden repairs. With easy calibration, a clear digital display, and automatic material detection, it's a must-have for car buyers, detailers, and auto professionals who want confidence in every inspection.
Subscribe today and join our community of tech lovers who never miss the next big thing in gadgets and technology.